Once upon a time, in the heart of the dense, verdant forest, lived a cunning and shrewd fox named Reynard. Known for his quick wit and cunning nature, Reynard was a creature of great intrigue and mystery. One day, Reynard found himself in a difficult situation. He had stumbled upon a precious gem, the likes of which he had never seen before. However, the gem was protected by a magically sealed cage, and Reynard, despite his cunning, could not find a way to open it. In his desperation, Reynard decided to seek the advice of an old turtle who lived near the edge of the forest. The turtle, wise and patient, had seen many seasons pass and had a wealth of knowledge and experience. Reynard approached the turtle, his eyes filled with anticipation and hope. "O wise turtle," he said, "I have found a gem that I desire, but it is guarded by a magic I cannot break. Can you help me?" The turtle looked at Reynard, his eyes twinkling with wisdom. "I cannot open the cage, Reynard," he said, "but I can offer you advice. Do not always seek what you desire, for sometimes the path to your goal is not the one that leads directly to it." Reynard, frustrated, asked, "What do you mean, old turtle?" The turtle, with a slow and thoughtful nod, replied, "Patience, Reynard. Patience. If you cannot break the cage, perhaps there is another way to obtain the gem. Do not be hasty, for haste makes waste." Reynard, chastened, returned to the cage. He spent days contemplating the turtle's words, and eventually decided to try a different approach. Instead of trying to break the cage, he dug a tunnel under it, until he found himself face to face with the gem. The turtle, watching from a distance, smiled. "Never underestimate the power of patience and wisdom, Reynard," he said. "It is a treasure that can open doors where brute force cannot." And so, Reynard learned a valuable lesson that day. That sometimes, the greatest treasures are not those that are hard to obtain, but those that are learned through patience and wisdom. And from then on, Reynard, though still cunning, was wiser.